Hi, my name is Deanna Christofferson, and I'm part of the Foothill Health and Wellness Network in Placerville. We'd like to invite you to a family fit and fun day at High Hill Ranch in Camino on Sunday, June 9th from 11 to 5. This is a free event. This day will start off with a 5K run through the apple and cherry orchards, followed by a healthy brunch and presentations given by Franco Colombo, who is the past title holder of Mr. Universe and Mr. Olympia. The local band Late for Dinner, playing all day long, along with Zumba, Nia, belly dancing, Tai Chi, and international dancing. Tasty, healthy food will be available along with local beers and wines. Come meet and experience our local wellness professionals and vendors providing information about their wonderful products and services. And all proceeds will benefit the big brothers and big sisters of El Dorado County. We also will be having all kinds of activities for all ages. Bring your family and friends. We'll see you there.